Stick to low GI foods. Studies have shown that eating a diet with low glycemic foods has a significant effect on weight loss, particularly in women. So go for the lentil soup, snack on a banana, or try some of these other low GI foods. Find an exercise you love. Just because most people think about the gym when they think about weight loss doesn't mean that's what you need to do. There are lots of exercise options out there, from basketball to running to rock climbing. Find an exercise you love to do, and you'll have a lot more fun getting the weight off. Team up. Buddy up with someone who has the same goals as you and is serious about reaching them. Then set a plan and stick to it. Hold each other accountable. Rest your cutlery between bites. Most of us eat way too fast. Lots to do, right? The problem with this is that it takes about 20 minutes from the time you start eating for your brain to tell you that you're full. In other words, by eating too fast, your brain doesn't have enough time to tell you, whoa, stop, the tank is full. By eating at a slower pace, you'll give it plenty of time to send the signals and help you avoid overeating. Don't food shop when you're hungry. We know what it's like. When you buy food when you're hungry, you want to put everything in the basket, especially the sweet and salty stuff. There's a reason for this. Research has shown that when you're hungry, your brain sends signals to you to go for the high-calorie food choices. Tasty, sure. Good for weight loss? So to keep yourself on track with your new healthy lifestyle, snack healthy before you shop, or fill up on a healthy meal and then go shopping. Recalibrate. Most people underestimate the amount of calories they eat and overestimate the amount of calories they burn. This is where keeping a food journal is going to be your best weight loss friend. So spend time getting to grips with how many calories you're taking in and how many you're burning. Write it down. Lift weights. You'll get more muscle, and muscle increases resting metabolic rate. That means you'll burn more calories even when you're not working out. So not only do you get better body composition and look more toned, but you'll also get fat loss thrown in for free.